I'm honored to be the first recipient of this award. It is a great achievement for myself and for my university, and I'm very excited to be given this award, because it's voted on by the fans, and I've had the opportunity to play for the best fans in America here at Duke University in Cameron Indoor Stadium, and it's been a great 4 years. And I want to thank my coaching staff here, everybody around Duke University, my teammates, everybody that has to do with everything that I've accomplished this year. It's been a great year individually, but nothing would have been possible without my teammates. And I also want to thank the Premier Players Sports Foundation for the creation of this award, but more importantly for its effort to inspire and encourage individuals and communities to help orphans worldwide to compete, learn, and grow through athletics. So, again, to be the first person to win this award, I'm very honored and blessed to be here giving this speech. I'm sorry I couldn't be there to give this speech live, but I hope everybody is enjoying this, and I look forward to watching this award grow, and hopefully I can be there in person in the near future.